Hi, this is Khuramjan and welcome to my channel Leo. In this video series of basics of C Sharp, and today in lesson number 4 we will discuss about operators only because we don't want to make the video too large. Similarly, math, strings and booleans will be discussed in the next lecture. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and click on the notification button. So let's move to the example. Here today we'll discuss about operators. Operators are basically used for operations on variables and with values. Following are the categories of operators: arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator and logical operators. You are already aware about the arithmetic operators, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modules and increment, decrement values. Okay, let's see it with example. Okay, in this example we have declared three variables a, b and result. A stores 20, A stores 10 while B stores 20, and we want to result addition of two numbers and store it in result. Okay, A plus B, we want to display the result which is 30. Similarly, another operators like mathematical operators, minus, division, percentage, you can use it. Next is the plus operator and minus operator. If you use this a plus, okay, what does it do? It will first assign the value of a in result and later it will increase or increment the value. If you write a plus or a is equal to a plus 1, both are the same. You can write it a is equal to a plus 1 2. It will both give you the same result. Let's see the result. Oh, okay, it shows you the 10 because first we will assign a and then increment. So that's why it stores the value 10. So you have to provide it before a. Then see the result. 11. Here before plus it first increments the value a, assign it into result and then display it. That's it. Similarly, the result of minus is also the same. It will first decrement the value of a by 1 and then assign it to the result. Just run it. You see the result 9. Next is assignment operator. You are already aware about the equal sign, x equal 5. We are already used this in the examples. The next is plus equal operator. In the example you can see x plus equal 3, which are same as x equal x plus 3. Similarly, the minus equal is same as x minus equal 3 is equal to x minus 3. Similarly, steric equal and slash equal, percent equal, all are the same. So you can, let's see it in the example. Okay, let's see. A plus equal 3, which is equivalent to a is equal to a plus 3. It will store result. Let's see the result 13. We increment it by 3, which is a stores 10 and we want to increment it 3. Okay, next is comparison operators. Comparison operators are used for comparing two values. Either these are equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than equal or less than or equal. Let's see it in the example. Let's take an example. A stores 10, B stores 20. Let's compare it. Just write it in the parentheses. A is greater than B. A stores 10 and B stores 1. If it is true, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. It results false because A is less than B. If you write it A is less than B, then it will give you result true. Similarly, A is greater than or equal B. No, if you can see the result, false. So these are the comparison operator. A not equal B. This is true. Okay. Next is comparison. Sorry, these are not comparison. These are the I wrote it by mistake. These are the logical operators. These are the not comparison. These are the logical operators. Here there are three logical operators: AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. Here you can see that double AND sign is used for AND operator. You can see if x is less than 5, this compares two values. It compares two values, either it true or false. Returns true if both statements are true. These compares two statements on the left and the right side. Left statement is, in the example you can see x is less than 5. This is one statement, and after the AND there is another statement, x is less than 10. If the left statement and the right statement both are true, the result will be true. Similarly, in the logical operator OR operator is double line. This OR operator is used if the either statement is true. Either the left one statement is true, either the right statement is true, then the result will be true. But in the AND operator, both statements must be true, the result will be true. If either the statement is wrong, then the result will be false. While on the other hand, OR operator is the opposite of the AND operator. If the left hand or the right stand, either statement is true, the result will be true. Let's give you an example. And what does NOT operator do? NOT operator just false the true results to the false. Reverse the result, return false if the result is true. If the result is true and you want it to false, then you will use the NOT operator. Okay, let's see the example. Here you can see we have two statements. Left statement is A is less than 5, AND operator, and the next one, right statement is A is less than B. You can see that A is less than 5. If it is true, yes, it is true, it is less than 10. Okay, right statement is A is less than B. A is 10, B is 20. Yes, A is less than B. This one is true, this one is true. The result is true. So the result will be true. Run it. You can see false. Sorry. Let's see what's wrong here. Okay, let's see where is wrong, what's wrong. It show you the result false. Sorry. A is not less than 5. A is greater than 5. Sorry. Okay, result is true. If either is wrong, result will be false. That's it. But against this, right operator, OR operator, this is OR operator. If either statement is true, either this true or this true, result will be true. A is less than 5, no, it's wrong. A is less than B, yes, true, result will be true. If both statements are false, then result will be false. A is less than 5, false. A is greater than B, false. Result will be false. If both statements are false, then result will be false. Similarly, these results are false. Both results are false, and you want to reverse this result by this operator NOT. It will give you true. It will give you true. It means not this false, which is true. I hope you understand, And if you have any question, you can write in the comment section. Thank you.